Guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. In today's video I am gonna show you how to create a VM in Google Cloud Platform. First click on create VM, then enable Compute Engine API. It takes some time. Let's wait until it's finished. My Compute Engine API is enabled, and after enable the API, it's redirect me here in this create VM instance or instance details page. Okay, first click on create instance for create an instance, and then here is the name. You can take any API DevOps server. Okay, then you can select the region and zone, and then you can select the compute how much you need RAM, CPU, and then come to the you can change the performance. I mean, you can change CPU and RAM from here also. And here I am showing that you can see monthly estimate is $25.46. But if you click the availability policies, then you can just click on spot. Then it will decrease the amount of VM. Okay, you can see it will just charge $8 per month. Okay, and hourly is $0.01, and then time limit. You can set a time limit that it can be stopped, or how much time you want. And then on VM termination, delete permanently. Click for if you want to delete permanently. And then you can also enable display, but we don't need it. You can also deploy container, and from here change the OS. You can click on change, and then click on here. Here is so many operating system. You will use the Ubuntu flavor, and you will use latest LTS version, which is 22.04. and then here from here you can increase or decrease the disk size. Okay, I want to take 20 GB and select. Let's see. Yeah, it's take $1 more. Okay, no problem. Full access, allow default access. You can also enable HTTP and HTTPS from here. Allow load balancer. You can do also. For me, take it, no problem. Okay, advanced networking disk. This is no need. Security. In the security section, you can add the SSH key of your instance. Okay, let's add my SSH key. You have to add the SSH key here from your id rsa.pub. I will just push the video and copy the content from here. Yeah, SSH key here, and then click, and that's it. Our configuration is done for the instance. You can also check equivalent code for REST API, command line, and Terraform. Let's click on Terraform and paste somewhere if we need in. Okay. Let's click on create. After create, we will connect it and see how it's look like. Your instance create done. Refresh. Okay, it's give us an IP address. Just click here, and you can connect it to the terminal here. That we I want to use view command, Google command. Just copy this line, and you need to install gcloud, Google Cloud. Install Google Cloud, install, and then click on install Google Cloud CLI, and then select your operating system like Red Hat, Ubuntu, Mac OS, Windows, and then I am using Ubuntu, so just follow this command and it will be install Google Cloud CLI into your computer. Okay, if you need any video on this topic, then just comment me so I can make another video for you. Okay, for now let's connect to the VM. Copy this, paste this command. Okay, update project SSH data. First, just it is do for just first time. Permission edited. Okay, our VM connection is done. Okay, let's sudo apt update. Yeah, all good. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more update. You can go here and just subscribe. I share some content like web development and DevOps and also Linux. You can check out my video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.